Hi everyone, welcome back to the Children's Science Center for another Budding Bookworms. Today we're going to be reading How Long or How Wide? A Measuring Guide by Cleary. A table, a teacher, a building or creature, a stuffed teddy bear that you've treasured. What size are they all? The big and the small. Each one of these things can be measured. Length answers the riddle for large things or little. How long or how tall or how wide is that swing? Or your ring? Or a dinosaur wing? Or the ladder that leads to the slide? Inch. 1 inch looks like this, and it's easy to miss because of its very small size. But it shows us its might when it helps tell the height of the trees that reach up to the skies. A foot. 12 inches together makes 1 foot. So whether you measure a desk or a door, each 12-inch long line is a definite sign that you've measured another foot more. And see this? It's cool. Inches live on this too. It's a measuring stick called a ruler. A 12-inch collection, 1 foot perfection, the right size for every grade school. A yard. Now 3 of these feet, should they line up and meet together, are what's called 1 yard. The 36 inches, and here's what the cinch is. That's also 3 feet. It's not hard. If you measured your bed and the yardstick had said that your headboard's exactly 3 feet, 3 feet equals 1 yard equals 36 inches. You say that the height is 1 yard, and you're right, or 36 inches. How neat. It's really quite wise when you're measuring size to know more than only one system. The terms here are fun, and before we are done, you'll surely be able to list them. A millimeter. It's nearly as thin as the needle or pin. 1 inch holds almost 26. So 1 inch holds almost 26 millimeters. Put your face really near. That's the whole thing right here. It's smaller than most fleas and ticks. A centimeter. Take your fingers and pinch less than ½ an inch. A dime would quite easily hide on one. As small as it is, when you're asked a quiz, there are 10 millimeters inside of one. So 10 millimeters inside 1 centimeter. A decimeter. A bit less than 4 inches, really no more. There are 10 centimeters tucked into that. 100 would be the amount you would see of all millimeters within it, in a decimeter. All right, a 1 meter. Just how tall is Peter? He's all of 1 meter. It's a little bit more than 1 yard. You see, 1 meter is a little bit more than 1 yard. Or you could say Peter's just 10 decimeters. And watch as your paper is starred. So, how can you tell just how tall is that bell? Or how wide is your thermos or cooler? Now, it's a pleasure because you can measure, which makes you the ultimate ruler. So, what is the length? Do you know? The end. See if you guys can find a ruler or a meter stick and measure some items at home.